Have you listened to the recording of the accused suspect in the Joseph Parker capital building case? Because you need to listen to the recording of each of the accused suspects, like what they're saying, what they went through before the government will be able to get you. Because they're talking about torture. And now the judge is still saying that this is the only evidence the government have, and they're not going to take it out of the case. They're going to move it forward into the case. But you need to listen to what the guys had to say about this thing, so you can be able to understand all the story, everything we've been sharing about the Capitol building fire case. So listen to some of the recording, but you need to listen to this Tibia. We promise we're going to bring you more recording on the Capitol building, so you can be able to, get your understanding about how the case is going right now. Thank you very much and have a listening. Remember, this is Informed Labrador today. We're not here, but we're here. CCP, we Isa Manemo. But before you listen to the recording, let KOK and Alexa lay the basics. Then you can understand what's going on.
The point is, the defense counsel, Alexa, told the court that, George, let the government tell us what they are depending on for which to say my clients are responsible for Capitol building being burned. Let them tell us. The government came out, the government said, oh, we got evidence. The beginner who we keep in subbies, the beginner explain, say that you're the one sending the back gas to burn the place. The same case they are talking about, the case are on record for informing the whole world that they were being beaten. They were being tortured. And by the way, torturing, the act of torture, is a whole violation of international human rights law. It is against the Geneva Convention. You don't torture citizens. You don't torture anybody to take evidence from them. That is coercion. Especially in the absence of their lawyer, their legal representation. It is wrong. By doing so, you violate the individual's personal rights, his fundamental rights. So the guys complained that they were being tortured. Why? The police, they were being tortured by the police and other state security actors believed to be members of the National Security Agency.
At lots of workforce, some maintenance people, the security, they all I thought the security, he started slapping me, he started hitting me. May you talk, it. Not when the front, start hitting me, he hit me for almost 5 minutes. Then he said, they'll be calling you there, so where met her. I said the problem here, all the minutes is they're my co-workers. They might go for that maintenance in that place. They might go for living in Port Bridge. The other guy you hear the recording there, he definitely had a good place there, co-reward again, come to my church, I can be over. So I come to the people myself that you are bringing the men in for the protest because we all bringing people for the protest. That how we got the compound that money, come and speak up in that, and the men got down the I didn't go for protest. He said you lie, start beating me, beat me. Then they brought another statement up. They say you are now with Jangako. So Jangako, it's the from CC Fire Code. If I say we get recording on you, you are calling Jangako. Say you Jangako and why you say Jerry Power should meet your enforcement place. On there, you're one of the invisible facts. You say, well, the people that you call it, so I don't even know them. Jangako, you can't say I even know him by face. I don't hear his name. I even know him by face. And I'm not even of person who can go on CC Fire Code to go out and call it. One low, the pro one guy, the guy who the has to be, the very has to be. I say, if you really made a message, you know me. Then you'll win the case. You say, okay, I have a project. Get them in so from 11 to 3 o'clock, and now beat me the body, came in now. In fact, the first minute they say they came down to the basement, what they get on the ground place there. They will so the mask me if I'm scared, what they want, they will so the mask. I say, people, anything you want to do now, go. The first thing I want to wear a head. I wonder where I end. He said, it's that horse water. That snakes inside there. If you're not care what you want to know, we carry the snake and water. The snake will fuck with you. Will fuck with you to know. I just became left in there. I said, people, I don't know nothing. I didn't care about us. What they came in. They brought us to me. I didn't possible. If you see the point, I call the person, you know, as you think you calling from my phone. The person will call him. Let me listen to the person for the person myself talk. You say, oh, that way you smart and you act smart and they start beating me. Beat me one low. The director of decision and call. And he decision and call him when the party. He say, we'll get a man. He say, yeah, we'll get a man. And when I hear, he say, don't worry, director. The man will get something. We'll get something from him. We'll make him get something. We'll give him something that we carry. Together with our program. Anything I do, man, we'll tell how to get another man. Even if I say, he will say, I say. All handle it. Do it. Beat me. I did I fainted, so I felt them. They were almost 3 careful. They left me. They say, oh, man, you're man. They put me inside of the sleep. Our evening call. I want to allow the flow. Put my hair on the rest there. Jebro, see, get me, Jebro. We're going to get me, Jebro. We're going to keep. Go ahead, man. Say, don't worry, director. The man will get something. We'll get something from him. We'll make him get something. We'll give him something that we carry. Together with our program. Anything I do, man, we'll tell how to get another man. Even if I say, he will say, I say. All handle it. Do it. Beat me. I did I fainted, so I felt them. They were almost 3 careful. They left me. They say, oh, man, you're man. They put me inside of the sleep. Our evening call. I want to allow the flow. Put my hair on the rest there. Jebro, see, get me, Jebro. We're going to keep. Go ahead, man. You're going to take me. You think you come back to here? Get up, man. Took me, carry me, corner, put me chair. I was saying that there. One low, one guy called no place or what the key will take information again. They say, oh, you say you can lie. Yeah, what you say you can lie. Get different information on you again. As well information again. The hard you to see now from the yard there. Now when they carry you to see down there, they beat you to see the tie they they stretch your leg so or you say that's not the pity. So when they finish beating you now, then they will be telling you what to say. So as they tell you, you shouting, you yelling, and you yelling, then they be calling, yes, let me say it, yeah, I didn't want it. But they didn't know Susie myself, and the thing that they point they did, after that thing happened, they put Susie myself in a same room for the sleep. So when they call Iwe Susie, I say, yeah, no Iwe Susie. Now they brought Iwe Susie. When they brought Iwe Susie, he came in Saran Sami. Then he asked me, he said, you know the man? I said, yeah, I know the man. He said, Tom, you know the man? I said, yeah, I know the man. I said, the man, I brought the man here to the hospital. Unfortunately, the stomach period was so small, he didn't go on there. Then he was about chief, what do we say? I had to get the top on. So they start reading the Iwe Susu. Say, Iwe, and I used to say 1 year on December 17th, it was 9 o'clock, somebody said, come call me, Iwe say, chief, I beg you, with all due respect, you beat me landed, you made your own statement. I never told your tongue and said, Bogias. I just say, I'm going to say your Bogias. I never say your Bogias.
Are you hearing it, Alexa? This is what the guys were explaining. That they were tortured, they were beaten, demoralized and everything, and made to lie. They said the molested, I didn't want ball gas. You hearing the guy? You hearing him? Let me play the one for the people to listen to for the second time. Let me play the piece. Jump on and listen to for the second time.
I never told your tongue and said ball gas. I just say, I'm going to say your ball gas. I never say about gas. You beat me for 3 days here. You say you're giving me a family here. You say, but all me will get in here. So the man here now, everything you say here, I did not say it. I never say it. So I say, but you see what I'm telling you? I say, anybody in here, they don't know me. I said, what I told you about the protest here that I brought it meaning. Any other thing in that protest statement there. I got nothing along with that fire issue.
Okay. Oh, so I think we've been able to play this thing for a couple of times. We just thought to play it so that you have a history of where the case is at the moment.